Here's a Parallax Scribbler robot battery door. This was printed in ABS on a high-quality Mojo printer. Did require several mods to fit. First of all, here's a comparison. Here's the original door. I had to chamfer the outside edges of these two tabs to fit. And again, you can tell that was already done on the S2 door, red S2 door. And dimensionally, it was both too wide and too long. It was probably about 1 millimeter long, millimeter too wide, and maybe about 0.5 millimeter in this dimension. So I did take off slight amount of material on both sides, as well as slight amount in these kind of 3 different sections. On the plus side, the snaps work perfectly. So once I made those changes, I kind of marked all the change areas in red. But yeah, once you get those changes made, she snaps in there beautifully. Fits just like a stock door. And the good news is that I was kind of worried about how fragile the clips might be, but they feel really, really good. Again, in styrene. PLA would be a different material, less dimensionally stable, less temperature stable, but this Mojo printed ABS door, really, really nice. Recommended.